Installation remains the same apart from the specific differences shown in this video that pertain to the Literise operation. Ensure that the locked pawl is located at the bottom. Lift up and drop into the bracket. The pawl will then disengage. For safety purposes, ensure that the R-clip is secured. The awning is then safe to operate. To operate the awning, grab the bottom rail near the centre and move it to the desired location. If lock bolts are installed, the awning may be locked in the fully lowered position. To increase spring tension, remove the R-clip and lift out of the bracket with the awning in a down position and roll up 1 or 2 turns. Then replace in the brackets and secure with the R-clip. Do the exact opposite to lessen the tension.